Hey Peachies! Welcome back to my another video. If you're ready to leave procrastination behind and embrace your most productive, motivated self, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into actionable tips to help you break free from your lazy era and step into the life you've been dreaming of. Remember your why. Motivation thrives when you have a purpose. Ask yourself, why do I want to do this? Whether it's improving your health, advancing your career, or simply feeling better about yourself, reconnect with your bigger picture. Start with one thing. Overwhelmed? Pick one small task and do it. Completion creates momentum, and one success leads to another. Example, make your bed or drink a glass of water. Use the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Starting small builds a sense of accomplishment and helps you tackle bigger goals. Romanticize the process. Turn even mundane tasks into aesthetic, enjoyable rituals. Light a candle, play a favorite playlist, or grab a cute notebook for planning. Make productivity feel special. Visualize your future self. Imagine the version of you who has achieved what you're working toward. How do they feel? What habits do they have? Use that vision as inspiration to start now. Celebrate small wins. Motivation grows with acknowledgement. Reward yourself for even tiny victories. A treat, a break, or just a moment to say, I'm proud of me. Change your environment. Your surroundings affect your mood. Declutter your space, work in a cafe, or rearrange your desk. A fresh setting can refresh your energy. Set a timer and go. Commit to working for just 10, 15 minutes using a timer, like the Pomodoro technique. Often you'll find it easier to keep going once you've started. Surround yourself with inspo. Follow people who inspire you, listen to motivational podcasts, or read self-growth books. Positive vibes are contagious and can reignite your ambition. Forgive yourself and restart. Slip-ups happen. What matters is how quickly you bounce back. Treat every day as a fresh start and keep moving forward. You've got this. Mantra: progress, not perfection. Every small effort counts. Even the smallest steps forward bring you closer to your goals. Celebrate your wins, forgive your slip-ups, and keep going. You're building the life you deserve, one day at a time. Now go crush it, Queen. That's for today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe for Cookie. Love ya. Bye.